Welcome, in front of me is a ULEFONE Armor 3W, and today I'll show you how to boot the device into safe mode. And to get started, what you want to do is hold the power key. When you see boot options, simply hold power off. This in turn will bring up this window, reboot to safe mode. You want to reboot into safe mode. This will disable all third-party applications you have installed. They will be restored when you reboot again. So let's confirm it by tapping on OK, and while it's rebooting I'm gonna quickly describe what this mode is for. So let's assume that our device battery is draining at a rapid rate, even though it's a 10,000 milliamp hour battery. Let's assume that it is. And you don't know if maybe your battery is broken, or maybe some kind of malicious app is draining your battery. So what you could do in this case is boot into safe mode and see if the problem still persists. Now if it does, then that means that the battery is just broken, but if it doesn't, then that means that there is some kind of app that is messing with your device. Now this is a little bit of a rudimentary explanation, but you can apply it to basically checking if some kind of app is causing you problems or if it's not an app. So as you can see, once it boots back up, you can see that widgets are disabled, and also we have this permanent watermark at the bottom, safe mode, just so we know that we are in the desired mode. So that is how you boot into it, and once you're done with it and you want to leave it, hold power key once more, and this time around click on restart, and once the device boots back up, it will then go back to the normal mode. And there we go, we're now back in normal mode. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.